Tenestulin, Al-Shalamti. Teachers, students, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, everyone, you're listening to the kind voice of Dr. Yates, the Graspmatologist, inventor of the simple, easy, fun way of learning math called Graspmatyx.com. I made a promise, or I made a covenant, an agreement with you, the viewers, that I will show you the simple way of doing Graspmatyx 151, they call in English 151, times table. The numbers are 151 times 12, 151 times 24, 151 times 32, 151 times 68, 151 times 76, 151 times 84, 151 times 98. These are the numbers we are going to be multiplying on this day. First, I want you to keep in mind that there is a video titled Personality and Character of Numbers. What's it titled? Personality and Character of Numbers. If you have not received that video, or you have not ordered it, you can do so and learn about the personality and character of numbers. By learning about the personality and character of numbers, it would help you to do times table way above 12 times 12. That's what most of us were taught in the British and American schools. On this day, since we are learning the 151 times table, which is 151, you are going to see how I apply the personality and character of the numbers. Let's look at 151 times 12, or 151 times 12. Here's how you do that in the Graspmatyx program. First, the number 1, which is to the far right, actually to the immediate right of the 5, we will take that 1 and we'll multiply it by 1, 2, they call 12. Why? Because the character of 1 is single. So we say we have a single 1, 2 or single 12. So 1 times 12, they taught me in the British school, would be 12. Same thing in American schools. I went to both British and American schools. So they say 1 times 12 is 12. So we put the 1, 2, they call 12, to the far right. That would be the ending numbers to the answer. Now we need to find 2 more numbers now to the left of the 1, 2 to fill in, because we need a 4-digit answer. So what we do is this. Now we go to the 5 and we ask the question, what is the character of 5? According to yours truly, Dr. Yates, the character of 5 would be half, H-A-L-F. That's how we pronounce that word, half. In English, they say half. In Ethiopia, Amharic or Amharic, they say gamash. Gamash. So we're finding now the half of the 1, 2, they call 12. And the half of 12 would be 6. You will now add that 6 to the 12 and you get 1/8. So we'll fill it in right in the question marks there. And our answer will be 151 times 12 equal 1812. That's how we do it in the Graspmatyx program. It's that simple. That being seen here on this program, let's do the other numbers. 15 times 24. What are we going to do? Yes, we're going to take the 24 and put it to the far right, because 1 times 24 equals 24. And then we're going to find the half of the 24, they call 24, and that would be 1, 2, they call 12. We're going to add the 1, 2 now to the 2, 4, and what do we get? we'll get 3, 6. And so we'll get 3624. That's how we get that. 151 times 32. 32 would be the ending numbers or answer. We find a half of the 32, and that'll be 1/8. 1/8 plus 32 would give us how much? I learned to count, actually I learned to add, or I do teach to add from the left going to the right. So 32 above, I put the 1/8 below. I say 3 plus 1 is 4. What's the next larger number to 4? It would be 5. I put a 5 down and I said 8 plus 2 is 10. The last number I said is 0. That's how I add in Graspmatyx. In the British and American school, they taught me to go from the right to the left. They say 8 plus 2 is 10. Put the 0 down. And I say 3 plus 1 is 4 plus the 1 remainder is 5. Same answer. So what would we get? We will get 5032 would be the answer for 151 times 32. 151 times 68. The answer ending in 68, the half of 68 would be 34. When I add the 34 to the 68, I get 102. I now include that with my answer, 10268. Do you see the pattern here? Well, I guess you can do the rest. The remainder here, which is 151 times 76, 151 times 84, 151 times 98. You try it now and see if you're getting the same answer or based on what you're taught in school. Try the Graspmatyx way. See which one is faster and easier. And you email me and let me know. Now, some of you, after doing this, you say, wow, this is cool. However, I notice all your numbers here, Dr. Yates, are even numbers. You're multiplying by 151. What if they were odd numbers? That's a very good question. Good perceptional, I would say that's a perceptional question. One of the principles of Graspmatyx is perception. You perceive that. So I'll say this to you. In the next episode, I will show you how to do the 151 times odd numbers. As for now, you work with the even, and then I'll show you to do the 151. So look for it on YouTube. If you do not see it on YouTube, you can write to me, and I'll be more than happy to share that information to you and others who would like to learn. This is the kind voice of Dr. Yates saying thank you so much for viewing Graspmatyx 151 times table. Shalom TL.